Okay. Up on the Levee Road again. So tiny little hill again. Oh. Guys, I bet this trail here yesterday there's a police officer there. Yeah, I bet you guys this trail was probably covered in snow yesterday. You guys can feel the wind. Yeah, you guys can feel the wind. And also the sun, you know, it's like 40, probably 43, 44 right now. So it's beautiful, just gorgeous. I'm gonna take a little rest stop here. I'm gonna sip on a little bit of water. Yeah, today I'm feeling like I'm gonna sweat a little bit, especially between 1 and 3 when it's gonna hit 53. But we're gonna be, you know, we're gonna be a good 20 miles north of. So in total, probably 30 miles north of St. Louis. So, you know, the 53 that's here may not be the same 53 as up in Litchfield. I didn't even check what the weather was going to be for Litchfield, which we can do right now. See, right now in Litchfield, it's 41 with a maximum of 47 today. So yes, as you guys can see, it's going to be like 5 degrees cooler 30 miles north of here. Because yeah, right now to this bridge where we're heading, it's it's something to the effect of all right. Of 10 miles north of the city. So after that we're gonna have about another 40 something. So during that hottest period between the 1 and 3, and we're gonna be mainly, I think, going like northwest. So we're gonna have the wind behind us. Sorry, northeast. So we should clear in 2 hours a good, say maybe 15 miles an hour. So maybe a good 30, a good 30 miles, perhaps. junkyard here. With a fence built with containers.